Here's the latest on the Polk County shooting death from the Minnesota Department of Public Safety Bureau of Criminal Apprehension. They say, quote, the Grand Forks County Medical Examiner has identified the deceased subject as Clarence Dwayne Hutterly, 73, of Warren, Minnesota. Hutterly died of a gunshot wound. The manner of death is undetermined, pending further investigation. The Polk County Sheriff's Office received a report from a rural mail carrier who was delivering mail in Section 2 of Northland Township. Then he heard 2 gunshots, which resulted in the rear window of the vehicle shattering. A Polk County deputy responded to the area where the shots were fired. While investigating the report, he was confronted by Hutterly armed with a rifle. The deputy called for assistance, and other law enforcement agencies responded. Hutterly fired at the deputy, striking the deputy's vehicle. Hutterly was later located deceased outside of his residence with a high-powered rifle. According to the preliminary investigation, one law enforcement officer fired his weapon during the incident. The officer has been interviewed by investigators and provided a statement. The officer, a member of the Pine to Prairie Drug Task Force, is not being named because he works in an undercover capacity. Minnesota law states that a law enforcement agency shall withhold public access to data on individuals to protect the identity of individuals in certain circumstances, including when access to that data would reveal the identity of an undercover law enforcement officer. The BCA's investigation into the officer-involved shooting is ongoing. When complete, the BCA will turn its findings over to the Polk County Attorney's Office for review. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.TV.